Dear students, last class we have discussed basic definitions and terminologies of a parabola. In this class we will solve some examples on parabola. So let us begin with the first example. So it is given that two common tangent to a circle, two circles are there. See, one circle and one parabola is there, x square plus y square equal to 2a square it is, and a parabola is y square equal to 8ax. The two common tangent we need to calculate here. So equation of a straight line is y equal to mx plus c. So here slope is there, so that's why I have taken, and we have standard one parabola is given y square equal to 8ax. Now we write standard form y square equal to 4ax. This is a parabola. So parabola connecting equation of a straight line is y equal to mx plus c is taken as a divided by m in case of a parabola. So here comparing, so the parabola here, so it is a 2 times 4, here it is a 8 2 times, so we take this as a as 2a divided by m. Further we will rewrite this y minus mx minus 2a divided by m equal to 0. So this is a y axis, this is a one straight line, this is the circle, this is the radius here. Okay, so we'll observe that radius is a 2a square, so I can write r square equal to 2a square. So square r square is there, so solution for r is, it is under the square root of a 2 is multiplied by a it is. So further we have equation, suppose if we have a equation ay plus bx plus c equal to 0, these two are perpendicular, so perpendicular formula is, so it is a c equal to a x1 plus b y1 plus c whole divided by root of a square plus b square. So we have ax1 plus by1, from this c is center, root to a it is, under the modulus it is previous. So here ax1 plus by1 plus c, this is minus 2a divided by m square here, previous step I have taken here. So further it is a whole divided by c a square plus b square, so 1 plus we get a m square. So I have taken it from a previous step. So under the modulus it is, we will simplify this, so we will do squaring. So 2 a square equal to 4 a square divided by m square 1 plus m square it is. So further we will simplify, we get a biquadratic equation. Simplification as, here a square get cancels, so like that, so we get m raised to 4 plus m square minus 2 equal to 0. So further see, m raised to 4 will get us 4 solutions. So simplification are, factors we are going to get it as m square plus 2 one more we get it as m square minus 1 equal to 0. So first factor simplification, m square equal to minus 2 we get it, and the solution is a complex, therefore this is an incorrect solution. So one more we get it as a m square minus 1 equal to 0, m square equal to 1 we get it, m equal to plus or minus 1 is a solution we are going to get it. So further, so standard equation is y equal to mx minus 2a divided by m or else we can take y minus mx minus 2a by m equal to 0 here. Okay, so then y equal to m is plus or minus x minus 2a divided by m it is. So we'll get a solution as y y equal to plus or minus x minus 2a divided by m equal to 0. Further, m we have plus or minus 1, so we'll substitute that. So we get y plus x minus 2a. One more is y minus, so we get a here minus x, and here we get a plus x plus 2a here. So in generally, so y plus or minus x plus 2a solution we are going to get it. So clearly we will observe that x plus 2a, that is option B is a right answer. Option B is a right answer. You can take a screenshot of a first page. This is a first page. Yes, you can take a screenshot of a second page. So this is our solution. Okay, we'll move to a next example. The normal at the point bt1 square b2bt1 on the parabola meets the parabola again in the point bt2 square comma 2bt2. Then which of the following relation is correct we have to calculate. So equation of a normal at a point is given by, here it is a given bt1 square comma 2bt1. Then the corresponding equation is, we get this as y equal to minus t1 x plus 2bt1, so plus bt1 cube. See, standard formula last class we have discussed. Here x equal to, we have to take bt1 square, and y we have to take it 2bt1 here. So this is t1. Okay, also passes through one more point we have, so that is a second point bt2 square comma 2bt2. So this also we have to substitute in a standard form. So we get this as 2bt2 equal to minus t1 into 2bt2 square plus 2bt1 plus bt1 cube. So further we have to simplify. So we get 2t2 minus 2t1 equal to minus t1 into t2 square minus t1 square it is. So here everywhere b is a common, so we have to divide it by b, and then we'll get this step. Further LHS we have to take a 2 as a common, t2 minus t1, and RHS minus t1. So it is of the form a square minus b square. Apply a formula, so we get a minus b, then a plus b. See, this and this get cancels, so we will get a t2 solution as minus t1 minus 2 by t1 we are going to get it here. After simplifying we get this. So clearly option A is the right answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We'll move to a next example. A point on the parabola y square equal to 18x at which the coordinate increases at twice the rate of the abscissa is. So which of the following correct among these we have to calculate. So standard form of a point is, it is a 4 y square equal to 18x. So 2 into 9 into x, so we get this as 9 by 2 t square 90. Further, y equal to 90, so we will differentiate this one y coordinate with respect to t. Dy upon dt equal to, we get it as a 9. Similarly, x coordinate is x equal to 9 by 2 t square. Dear students, I have taken this as a y coordinate standard for this as a x coordinate. Now x coordinate with respect to t we have to differentiate. So x differentiation is dx by dt 9 by 2 as it is constant. T square differentiation is 2t. 2 get cancels, so dx by dt equal to, it is a 90. So further we have a equation, so that is a dy by dt equal to 2 times dx upon dt. Now dy upon dt we have to substitute. Dy upon dt is 9 and 2 times dx upon dt is 90. So 9 and 9 get cancels, so we get t solution as 1 by 2. This t value we have to substitute in a point P, so we get P as, it is a 9 by 8, and one more point is 9 divided by 2 here. So this we get it. So option D is a right answer. Option D is right answer. You can take a screenshot of this. Okay, we'll move to our next example. Let P be the point 1, 0 and Q a point on the locus y square equal to 8x. The locus of midpoint of a PQ is, locus of a midpoint we have to calculate. So first point is P, they have given it. So P is 1, it is a 0, and Q is on the parabola y square equal to 8x, and this point we can take it as a standard form 2t square. A is 2 here, a t square, at it is 2t square, 2at, it will become 4t. Then midpoint formula we have to use. Midpoint formula is x equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 it is. See here, this is x1, this is a x2 here. We have to apply midpoint formula. Midpoint of this point, I call it as a q, so PQ. So we get h equal to 2t square plus 1 divided by 2. So 2 will transport it to LHS. 2h equal to 2t square plus 1. We will get a 1 equation. Another one midpoint, so we have to take a y coordinate. Y coordinate is a k, so what we get is 0 plus 4t. Okay, from a point PQ we have to take it, whole divided by 2. So we get this as k equal to 2t, or else I can write t equal to k divided by 2. I call it as another equation as a 2. Then further, from equation 1 and equation 2, that is wherever t is there, we have to substitute as a k divided by 2. from equation 1 and 2. So that is, we get this as 2h equal to 2 times t square is there, so k square divided by 4 plus 1, then 2 ones are 2 twos are. So further simplifying, take a LCM, or else throughout this equation we have to multiply by 4. So we get 4h equal to k square plus 2, k square plus 2. So this value we have to take it, and we get x and y value. So here h comma k is a standard form, so this is a can be taken as x comma y. So we get a 4x equal to y square plus 2. So y square 4x transported to RHS minus 4x plus 2 equal to 0. So clearly we will observe that equation A is a right answer. Okay, so that step I will write it, y square minus 4x plus 2 equal to 0 here. So option A is a right answer. Okay, we'll move to our next example. The locus of the vertex of a family of a parabolas. So y expression is this. Then what is the relation between x and y? So last example, x means I told you it is a h and y equal to k. Now using a standard formula, see, we have to write what is a h and what is a k, we have to calculate. So further h we have to take it as a x, k as a y here. So then we'll get a relation between x and y. We have to multiply both equation h and k, we get a relation for x into y. Yes, so let us begin this. The given equation of a parabola is, so we begin with the given things. Y equal to, it is given a cube x square divided by 3 plus a square x divided by 2 minus 2a. This is a given. So further minus 2a is there, we'll transport it to LHS. So we get y plus 2a equal to a cube x square divided by 3 plus a square x divided by 2. So further we'll simplify this, y plus 2a. So from RHS we'll take a common as a cube divided by 3. We'll take a cube divided by 3 as a common from RHS. So we get inside x square plus 3 divided by 2a x. So this is the RHS. So further LHS there is no change, RHS will simplify. So RHS, so using a completing the square technique, we'll find, see, we'll add a b square and we'll subtract a minus b square. So here usually the standard form of a equation is, it is a plus b. Now a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here b square is missing, so x coefficient we have to take it. Here it is 3 divided by 2a. We have to divide it by 2, means we get a 3 divided by 4a. We have to square this and we have to add, to balance it we have to subtract it. So the completing the square technique, it is you have studied in a 10th standard this. So we get this as x square plus 3 by 2a into x. So we have to add 9 by 16 a square. So to balance it we have to subtract it, 9 divided by 16 a square here. So looking at the first 3 factors here, it is of the form a plus b whole square, and this minus is there, we will transport it to LHS after multiplying a raised to 3 divided by 3 here. So we get this as y plus 2a plus 3a by 16. A cube divided by 3, we get a plus b whole square, x plus 3 by 4a whole square it is. So we get a this. So further we have to simplify these two. Will simplify it, we'll find a LCM for them. So we get a y plus 16 to the 32 plus 3 35. So we get a 35a divided by 16. So what we have done, indicated two terms, that is second and third term in a LHS, we have calculated a LHS here, and RHS there is no change. A cube divided by 3, it is x plus 3 divided by 4a whole square. So further from this we have to write a vertex. So our vertex is x coordinate. X coordinate is, see here, minus 3 divided by 4a. This is a x coordinate, and y coordinate is this one, with the opposite sign, minus 35 a divided by 16. It is minus 35 a divided by 16. So this is a h, this is a k, and these are nothing but a x and y here. These two we have to multiply, x and y coordinate we have to multiply. So we get minus 3 by 4a is multiplied by minus 35 a by 16, and here we will observe that a get cancels, and further simplification we get numerator simplification as 105, denominator simplification as 64. Therefore answer is 105 divided by 64. So option A is the right answer. Okay, this is a first page simplification, this is a second page simplification. So we have solved today 5 example. Remaining example we will do it in a next session. So thank you for watching this video.